Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and I unbox and review budget watches, and today I am wearing the Islander ISL 135 from longislandwatch.com. Full review of this one will be taking place on the channel in a few days time. You can check out the unboxing of that one in the link listed there. Today I'm really excited to be highlighting a Canadian Microbrand company. The company is Redwood. They are based out of Montreal, Quebec. And I have had an eye on this one for quite some time. It is a very nice little field watch, a simple three-hand field watch, but it's absolutely fantastic. And as a Canadian company, it's definitely one that I want to support and highlight on my channel. I actually picked up this one on the watchgang wheel of watches, but I'll leave a link in the description below for the Redwood website where you can pick this one up. It is pretty fantastic, and I'm really excited to be showing it to you. So let's turn the camera around and let me show you what they have to offer. Okay, the watch is here. It comes in a really nice canvas watch roll. The color of green is the color of green that is used by the Canadian military. This is a field watch. You can see there is a nice tag here with the Canadian flag and Redwood brand stitched on, and there is a little piece of leather strip with the Redwood embossed stitched onto that as well, so that is a nice touch. This is a watch roll, very nicely done. I just really like the packaging of this one. You can fit up to 6 watches in this watch roll. So we'll just pull out the information that the watch comes with, the warranty cards and whatnot. And so congratulations on your new watch. You can pause it at any time to read this information. They're just business cards. What we are dealing with is model MWF2. This is their version 2 of a field watch. They have 3 versions now, all of which are sold out. So in the website that I'll leave in the description, you'll just have to sign up for when these watches will become available again. And there is the date that this watch was issued and 1-year warranty. And so very nice, and this is the watch here, guys, and I think it's a really nice little watch. The newer ones come with the nylon NATO straps as well. I have the one that was offered on a genuine leather strap. It is fairly nice, and I will talk about all of this in more detail in the review, but let's zoom in on this watch and just have a look at that, and I'll give you a bit of a tour around the watch. Obviously, you can see that this is a quartz movement, and I can tell you that this dial is fully loomed, and so it's the reason why it's not a crisp white, because it's a fully loomed dial, and the loom on this is quite nice as well. So let's just give you a tour around the dial here. You can see it's really nice and thin. We'll get Super Cali to kind of measure things out in a minute, but there's the side profile and the case back, which has the information on it, and you do have just a high polish crown on it. Really quite nice. The finishing is the brushing on it looks really quite nice as well. And there it is again, just a simple 3-hander, nice looking field watch. Let's get the dimensions out of the way. Let's just pull Super Cali out and see what we are dealing with here in regards to the specifications for the watch. And so here we go. You have a case diameter on this one of 40 millimeters. You have a lug width of 20 millimeters. Case thickness of, look at that, 8.6. So it's really nice and thin. And we'll get the lug to lug distance here as well, which is 46.6. So it's a really nice compact watch. A lot of field watches are under 40 mil, but they decided to go with 40 mil, which in my opinion is perfect. especially for my 7.5-inch wrist. So speaking of which, let me show it to you on my wrist, and then stay tuned to the channel. In a week or two, I'll be doing a full review of this one. And here is what it looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist, and you can see that is really sitting nicely on the wrist, really thin, really light, feels good. The leather band is not stiff, it is actually quite comfortable. The only thing that you'll notice is that I am on the third to the last hole, and so if you have an 8-inch wrist, it's going to be a pretty short band, at least on this one. But again, the version 3s have different strap options, the nylon NATOs, which look really cool. Head on over to the website and sign up for it. The price on these, $159, so you're getting a really, really good watch for the money, that's for sure. So that's it. That is the Redwood Field Watch by Redwood Watch Company. Pretty fantastic. So thanks for watching. That's version 2 of Redwood's Field Watch. Version 3 is sold out. They also have a really cool watch called a Tactical Watch, but it is sold out as well. So I'm going to reach out to the owners at Redwood to find out when these watches are going to be re-released. You can, if you are interested in the watches, head on over to their website and sign up to be on their waiting list. They offer great value for dollars spent on these watches. This one is only $159. That's Canadian dollars. So for just over $100 US, you're getting yourself a really nice field watch or tactical watch if you check those ones out. So please go visit them. Again, link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. Once I reach 1,500 subscribers, and we're about 135 away from that, I'm going to be giving away a Spinnaker automatic watch to celebrate hitting 1,500. So I would appreciate if you hit subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please like and leave a comment and let me know what you thought of this field watch offering by Redwood. And as always, remember, whenever you leave your house, you need to have a great looking piece to wear on your wrist, like the field watch by Redwood. And remember, wherever you're going, you need to get there on time. God bless you guys. Stay tuned in a couple of days' time for the review of the Spinnaker Bradner by Dartmouth Brands. Looking forward to showing you that one as well. Have a great one, guys. God bless you. We'll see you in the next one.